Hi, I'm Max, creator of the Triple Bristle Toothbrush, and today I'm going to discuss with you why you need to clean your tongue. Most people know to brush their teeth, floss your teeth, maybe water floss your teeth, but a lot of people ignore the big muscle in our body, in our mouth, the tongue. The reason you want to clean your tongue is, unlike what most people think, the tongue is almost like hairy. It has hair-like projections called cilia that are relatively big. And what you'll notice is food and bacteria and everything can get stuck in there. At the same time, when you brush your teeth and floss your teeth, or rinse your teeth, you want to actually manually brush your tongue, just like you would brush your hair to get rid of bacteria, create that clean feeling. It'll also help prevent having a coated tongue. I don't know if you've ever seen people stick their tongue out and it's like yellow and coated. So the best way to keep a fresh, clean tongue, in my opinion, is to use a tongue cleaner. We include a tongue cleaner in our original Triple Bristle kit. It looks like this, but you can really use anything, and you can even use a regular toothbrush. I just found this to work really well. I like ones that have silicone on them because they're nice and soft. Very simple to clean your tongue. Main thing is stick your tongue out and position it, place it, scrub forward. Place it, scrub forward, place it, scrub forward. I'll just do it real quick. And this is kind of gross, but you know, there's all sorts of stuff on there. You want to keep doing this every day, especially before bedtime and especially in the morning. It'll help you have fresh breath, get rid of unwanted food particles stuck between your tongue glands, and will also help prevent having a coated yellow tongue, which isn't, the best look. I hope that was helpful, and I hope you guys clean your tongue. Have a great smile. Enjoy the rest of your day.